Welcome back to Java Code Academy. Imagine you are building a user registration system. You have a list of email addresses. What happens if the same user clicks sign up 10 times? If you use an array list, you know how have the same email saved 10 times. That is a bug. Yes, you need a collections the automatically reject duplicates. You need the HashSet. Now today we're moving to the one of the concept in collections framework, that is HashSet, the unique collection. This is what is a set. The set interface is collection that models the mathematical concept of a set. It has two strict rules: no duplicates allow ABC, A becomes ABC. No order. Unlike a list, there is no index 0 or index 1. It's just a bag of items. The set interface provides a robot solution for managing unique elements. Unique only. Duplicate dot add are calls ignored, ensuring only distinct elements. Duplicate doesn't allows. Unordered elements have no guarantee position. Out order might be random. No index. There is no index. Get of I, like index of specifying the numbers. Internal mechanism hashing for speed. HashSet utilizes having to manage its elements. Each hash code is calculated to determine its memory bucket. The mechanism allows for exceptional performance. Add, remove, and contains operations all execute in big of one, that is a constant time in time complexity. That think of like it high organization library where books are alphabetized but placed in specific buckets based on mathematical formula allow for instant intervals. Now I'm opening the my IDE, the VS code. I wanted to show the how to implement the what is today topic is hash set. So I'm implementing hash set. Now I want to create a one for file. The name is hash set. Hash set dot Java is our extension, indicates what we. Now I writing the public function. This is main function. Public void main string of args. This is our main function. Now I implementing the hash set. Hash set. Now using the generic, now declare the in generic what type of variables we declared that is a branch. Name is branch. New hash, sorry, hash set. This is our basic implementation. Now I want to the add something in our set. What we I add Nike. I want to add the Nike and add some brands also. This Nike is the our famous brand. Adidas. Sorry, I spelled type it. Let's see. The duplicate has not taken the set is not allowed. Now I added the once Nike brand. I repeatedly added it. Now I write the print function system.out.println. What we print? Brands. I want to print a brands cd. You see, I redirect into the my Java course file. Now I compiling the what is compiling is HashSet. There is no errors found in our programming. Now I executes. See, I explained in our PPT. I clearly said about set is not allow duplicates. Here you see that I added three type of brands. One is duplicate brand like Nike already added, but one more time I want to add it here. But set is understand it does not, it is a duplicate. Don't execute them. It is skip it. So you execute Nike and Adidas. Here our compilation see the Nike Adidas. Look at the output Nike Adidas. The second Nike was silently ignored. The hash set automatically checks if the item exists before adding it. The no index rule. Try to type brand dot get. Want to type get. Here we remove the string. What is the value is 1. It is not a integer type, data type. Sorry, it is errors found. There is no dot get method. Here not working the getting method. Why? Because a hash set is not shelf. It is a messy bag. Elements are scattered in memory using hashing to make them easy to find but hard to order. To read items, you must use a loop for each loop. You know the I explained for each loop means you can take a like I want to take something string is to what is I want some brands execute for. He string is what say I want to name I declared the name. It is our for each loop example. I want to write the for example, not it anything execute it here. For I example to show you what is for each loop. This is a for each loop or an iterator. You can if you are difficulty to understand for each loop. If you get int of I equals to 0, I less than of n I plus plus. We already discussed about in loops concept what is how it works for and while do while for each loop also both you can you don't know that you can check it first watch on for loops concept you get must much understand for loops content. This is our for loop basically. Performance power is constant. Why use this big of one? It is a performance is big of one. Why use this initiated checking ArrayList dot contains speed? If you have 1 million items, check if time X. Exits in array list takes a long time. It scans one by one. In a hash set, it is instant big of 1. It is uses a math formula of hash code to jumps straight to where the item should be. Now, real world uses removing duplicates. This is a classic interview trick. How do you remove duplicates from an array list? How do you? This is the our basic interview question. This is our the challenge is you efficiently duplicates from list, leveraging the unique properties of hash set. New array list hash set is original list. Now I want to implement this in my IDE compiler. Now how I use it here, I removing the code, I removing the total code. Now I wanted to the first implemented the array, take one array list, then integer values. So the name is numbers equals to new array list of items. Now here what I am adding here list dot adding the list of items. Items means it is a numbers. I want to add the something numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Want to add the duplicate numbers 1 3 sorry 3 3. Want to add the one of the duplicates in our array list is imported, but this is the implementation of array list. Now I declaring hash set function. Hash set list. We already take generic is integer. Now here also take the generic integers. It is declare unique set. I want to name the unique set name. If you are your wish which name you say that I want to declare the unique set. New hash set. This is our basic. I wanted to type the this is error from like list. I got a removes. Now I'm moving to the print. Print what I am printing here. I want to remove the elements because I declare the take a hash set. System dot out dot println is used to remove the duplicates in our Java code. Now which one I want to print unique values. Unique set. Let's we compile the program. No errors found. See it here. It is showing the empty set. It is removing total elements. You use the hash set. I think here something is wrong. Stop 1 2 3. Okay. Okay, done. That is the removing to the y hash set for user duplicates. When dealing with data, every item must the distinct like user IDs or product SKUs hash set is the ideal choice. It is its internally hashing mechanism ensure that adding and or checking for an elements in incredibly fast even the larger data sets. This is our performance scale. When you are adding the this take the complexity is big of one. When the iteration is moving to the upper contains nearly constant is big of one. When choose hash set. When we choose the hash set. Need for Unix. When you must ensure that all elements in your collections are distinct. Like we take an example of a tree. In in tree is simply we have so many leaves around the uh, stems. Fast lookups when frequent checks for elements existence are required. Order doesn't matter when the insertion or retrieval order of elements in concurrent. I execute them. We see that you are already see the Unix guaranteed has set. Ensure no duplicate elements are sorted. When you are declared the duplicate elements, it was not sorted. High performance because the complexity is constant time complexity in has set perform. No order, no index. Here I already said about we want to get an index number. It has doesn't take it, it cannot access the indexes. It can only use it is has it is main purpose is we use it removing the duplicates. It doesn't allows no duplicate values. Efficient duplicates remove a powerful tool for cleaning up list. Use hash set when you need unique items and you don't care about that orders. But if you do care about order, next time we look at the linked hash set and preset. Subscribe to Java Code Academy for next video. Please like, share and subscribe.